Fitch Security Integration is the recipient of the 2018 Integrator of the Year award. The Toronto-based company is recognized for a cutting-edge security install, the largest Wi-Fi access control project of its kind in Canada. Fitch was contracted to install ASA Abloy Wi-Fi locks for suites and bedrooms inside a newly constructed 30-story student residence building called Home. The facility caters to students attending nearby Ryerson University in Toronto. A major issue facing the install was getting all those locks programmed before they could be installed on site, explains Ed Fitchett, owner and president of Fitch Security.
We set up a production line at our office where all of the locks went through that production line, where the locks were inventoried, labeled, barcoded, all the parts checked, pre-programmed with all of their serial numbers, with all of the IP addresses, subnet masks, everything was pre-programmed. And then at the end of the line, we had a card testing session where the locks were tested, loaded with batteries and tested to make sure that the cards that both we and the site would use until it became operational would have to use, because the Wi-Fi was not going to be available until the very end of the job.
The locks were successfully installed towards the end of the construction phase for the Home facility. Fitch also installed more than 100 Interlogix cameras, a Secure platform to manage the locks and card readers, and duress systems.
They've done a great job in the building. We think we've got some cutting-edge product. Not only did the consultants specify the product, but Fitch made a lot of suggestions to improve the system and make the system practical and workable for us.
I would say that the clients and the partners, the general contractor we worked with, they were all super. I mean, it helps to have clients that are knowledgeable and that are reasonable in expectations and that understand the deployment of systems like this. And this system for them and their students offers them, the ultimate protection for their student clients, because they come in, they have, bedrooms locked down, they have their rooms locked down. We have, a lot of capability of knowing who went where and when. So we're very honored to be here today talking about this project to SP&T. We're honored to be able to present to you all of the aspects of this project.